Amala Puranam, Srimad Bhagavatam, Padma Puran, and so many skandhas, so many Puranas, and Harivamsha Puran are explaining how the identity of the Braja Gopis. All the Braja Gopis, they're actually expansions of Krishna himself. They're not village girls, although they're playing that role, they have that form. They're actually his expansions, his Shakti expansions. And even Lord Brahma, the Adi Guru, Brahma, Lord Brahma, he's glorifying the Braja Gopis. The Brahma Madhva Sampradaya, he's glorifying them in his famous law book. Lord Brahma wrote the law book. And he glorifies, who are the Braja Gopis or Krishna's expansions? Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavi Tabis. Tabirya Eva Nija Rupataya Kalavi. He says that these gopis are Nija Rupataya. Nija Rupataya Kalavi. Goloka Eva Nivasat Yakilatma Bhuto. Goloka Eva Nivasat Akilatma Bhuto. That Akila, Akilatma, that soul of all souls, the soul of all beings, Akilatma Bhuto. Bhagavan Sri Krishna, he's the soul of all souls, he's the Paramatma. He's expanded himself. Ananda Chinmaya Rasa Pratibhavita Abhis. The Chinmaya Ras, the Ananda Chinmaya Ras, the blissful. God is bliss.